Potatoes are a great crop to grow in the home garden. They're really easy to grow and they're productive as well, and you can get lots of different types. One of the questions that we're often asked is, should you chit or sprout your potatoes before you plant them? Most commercial growers don't sprout them before they're planted, but in the home garden there can be a few advantages. But firstly, what is chitting potatoes? It's simply a matter of getting the potatoes to sprout before you plant them. So how do you chit your potatoes? Basically, we sit ours in an egg carton, and this just means that they're lifted up a little bit and the egg carton will absorb any moisture. We put them in indirect light, indoors, in a cool position. If you look closely, these ones here are already starting to send out sprouts. There's a bit of a theory that you should put the pointy end down. You can if you like. However, potatoes will shoot from wherever they want to. This one's got a shoot on the pointy end, one on the top as well. How big do the shoots need to be? Well, not too big, just little stubby shoots, like on this purple potato. Do you need to cut the potatoes up after you've chitted them? No, you don't, but you can if you want to. And we do if we've got long potatoes like this, large ones like this, because it means that we can space the potatoes out evenly in the bag. We don't worry about rubbing off excess shoots, because that really doesn't make much difference to the size of the potatoes. What makes a difference to the size of the potatoes is the soil that you grow them in and the growing conditions. And we do suggest that before you plant the potatoes, after you've cut them in half, that you let them sit for 24 hours indoors, not in full sun like this, just to let the cut sections dry over or callus a little. So chitting the potatoes is really simple if you want to do it. And we have a separate video, growing potatoes in hessian sacks like this, which is a great way of growing them in confined spaces. So subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on growing a whole range of vegetables for your home garden. And as always, good luck with your gardening.